All right. Hi. So we are back, and as you can see, I'm trying to do this in the daytime here. So, yeah, anyways, let us get to it. Shit, man. All of these things sometimes mess around too much. Not even. Fuck, anyways. So, yeah, next problem that we have on our hand is just setting up my Twitter. When texting, sorry, texting or tweeting is not uncommon to shorten words by omitting vowels uh, like this. So we have to write twitter.py that outputs the same text with all vowels omitted. And it doesn't matter if it is capital or small. So cool. Let us go. Let's first go to week 2, was it? Yeah. mkdir twttr cd twttr code. Yeah. Shit. All right. Input and output. So let me just get the input first. Input. Now, for C in input, if C is equal to A or E or I, AEIO or U, or now shit, A or E or not T, it's I, or O or U. Then what we need to do, we need to input dot replace C with nothing, and then yeah, where should we print it though? I think after this, right? So output, maybe we can just say new input is equal to but new input won't be accessible here. I guess so. Let's just see. The hell just happened? convert def remove vowels input. Input on input output is equal to print remove vowels. Good. What is happening here? First of all, let me just print input here. Okay. But why is it behaving like that? Let me do this and maybe check. Let me remove this. Okay. So I'm not really sure, but something is going on. With which it's not letting me, write all of them in one single line. Now maybe it should be fine. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I have a feeling some case is going to fail. Alright, shit. Cool. I could have done this yesterday only, but yeah, anyways. Oh, it's the first time, so it will. Okay. I don't know why it gave that internal server error. But yeah, Twitter is also fine. We have two more to go. Let's just finish this shit and move on. Cool. Vanity plates. Let's see what you got. In Massachusetts, home to Harvard University, it's possible to request a vanity license plate for your car with your choice of letters and numbers instead of random ones. Among the requirements, though, are all plates must start with at least two letters. Vanity plates may contain a maximum of six characters, letters, or numbers, and minimum of two. Numbers cannot be used in the middle of a plate, they must come at the end. Uh, cool. The first number used cannot be zero. No periods, no spaces, or punctuations are allowed. Now, what we have to do, implement a program that prompts the user for a vanity plate and then output valid if meets all requirements or invalid if it does not. Assume that the letters in the user input will be uppercase. Structure program per the below wherein is valid returns true if S meets all requirements and false if it does not. Assume that S will be string. You are welcome to implement additional functions for is valid to call. Cool. Much like a list, str is a sequence of characters, which means it can be sliced into shorter strings with syntax like yeah. Okay, so we have to use slice in some way. And okay. So first of all, we'll have to start checking with the length itself. Cool. This one seems a bit complicated, but we'll do it. mkdir plates, code plates, okay. So first of all, plate. Let's just say plate. F plate dot length. Okay, let me keep the functions in mind. Let me just copy this. Okay. If s dot length is No, wait. It should be minimum of 2, maximum of 6. So it should be greater than not, right? This should not be the case. Will this code check anything else though? That's what I'm. If we just return right here. Okay. This is done. If not, s of 0 2 is alpha. Turn false. Kind of having doubts here. Python plates.py. Ah, shit. Let me start with the fuck. Bro, I'm just shit. Fucking hell, man. I'm just doing mistakes. Left and right. Okay. Wait. Yeah, those are included. Why is it not printing this? Okay, so for this, I think we can just check if it is. Okay. So the only thing that is remaining now is this one. Also, it needed to be. Yeah. So if first two digits were not, then it will be false. So the only condition that is remaining now is that numbers uh, should come to the end. It should not be in between. So that will be like if. Again, so we have to check if it is not coming in between. So for C in S, if C is num, for no, if C is numeric, then S of C would be the index, right? All right. Cool. Is digit, that is. Ah, shit. Here as well. Yeah, this thing. I don't know. I always end up making that mistake. This should be working now. Let's try. Hello. I think I can. No, but that can't happen, right? No, no, no. This is wrong, bro. I'm not sure how much true this is, but god damn. Oh. Ah, shit. My bad. Yeah. If C is digit. If C is digit and if C is not equal to 0, then only check it. Okay, I'm kind of confused here. For character in S, if it is a digit, then check if that index till the end is also digits. If it's not, then return false. And what we are doing here is that if C is digit and C is not equal to 0, then only we need to check this. Let me just try, bro. Yeah, I think I'm just confusing myself. It is doing what it is supposed to, and let's check also. That's why Python is kind of weird for me, because it's like there is less syntax. Yeah, I agree, and the whatever stuff, but that just makes it confusing for me. Okay, why is CS50 showing uh, output as invalid now? Let me do this. Yeah, again. Okay. The hell, bro? Okay, let me exit all this. Oh, shit. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just say. Cool. I think I should have done or maybe. No. Maybe at the end. Not really sure. Shit, bro. What is the issue? Okay, I think it is checking for everything. I just need to check for that first digit. How can I check? that. Hmm. But in that case, it's like we know for sure that which index we need to check 0 on. And in this case, it is like uh, wherever that thing starts, wherever the number starts. So, one thing that is coming to my mind is we can maybe uh, try to see the previous one. Like, if s dot index of c minus 1 if this is alpha and and not not the index, bro. Yeah. Yeah, that seems promising. God damn, man, why do I always keep making that mistake? Just that mistake. Again, see? Let's fucking go. Cool. Hopefully, the next one would be easy, bro. I want to really get done with this. This one updates the first, yeah. Then this one, and then the others. Oh fuck. All the test cases passed. What the hell? Sorry, didn't mean to do that. Yep, nutrition facts. Let's freaking go. God damn, man, I never expected this syntax to work. Like if, elif, for, then else. I don't know, it's Python, bro. Anything can happen. I'm just going to move on. And move to the last question. Sorry. US Food and Drug Administration offers this that show nutrition information for the 20 most frequently consumed raw fruits in the states. Retail stores are welcome to download the posters, print, display, and or distribute to consumers in a close proximity to the relevant foods in the stores. In a file called nutrition.py. Okay. That's the spelling, right? NUTRI. Yeah. Okay, my bad. Code nutrition.py. Implement a program that prompts users, okay, to input a fruit case insensitively and then outputs the number of calories in one portion of that fruit. Per that, which is also available. Text centralized capitalization aside, assume that users will input fruits exactly as written in the poster, strawberries and not strawberry. Ignore any input that isn't a fruit. Okay. So, god damn, there's so many. Apple, avocado, banana, strawberries. So what? Like I have to implement all of this? Fuck, man. Okay, I guess that is much better instead of just looking at this. Anyways, so we have to input the item and output the calories. I guess we can just make a list or dictionary. This is a good use case. Okay. And fruit is equal to input. It was fruit, right? Okay, item, whatever. Now, fruits is a dictionary which has key value pairs. Apple, okay. Apple with calories 130. And so on. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Avocado with 50, banana with 110, 50, 60, 90, Pandra, Bees. Don't mind me, bro. I'm just gonna count in Hindi. 80, 60. God damn, I lost count. 15, 20, 60, 80, 60, 100, 50, 70, 50, 100, 50, 80, 130, 50, 110, 50, 60, 90. Shit. These two I forgot. Yeah, let me just 60, 90, then 50, 90. Then 15, 20, 60, 80, 60, 100, 50, 70, 50, 100, 50, 80. Okay. Banana, cantaloupe. What the hell is that? Grapefruit. It's just called grapes here. Yeah, there is also grapes, so maybe that is different. Anyways, honeydew melon, kiwi fruit. I don't know. I think it's the same, but it's just called kiwi here. Lemon, lime. What the hell is the difference between those two, bro? Nectarine, orange, peach, pear, pine. Oh, let me just add the pine. Plums, strawberries, sweet cherries, tangerine, watermelon. Okay. So, if fruit in oh fuck, fruits dot keys. I think I can do that. Then print fruit dot value. I think that's all. Maybe. Let's check. Okay. That's gonna print everything. Yeah. Let us go back to searching. How to run a loop on the keys of a dictionary. For key in my dict. Okay. But yeah, see? I'm not really sure. Mhm. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's good to go. This is just not logical issues, it's just syntax issues because I've been doing so much Java and JavaScript. Python feels like, I forgot to turn this slower. Yep. Fucking finally, we are done. Okay, so that were camel, then Coke, then Twitter, then plates, and nutrition. That should be the week 2 part. Let me quickly. Yeah, it's submitted. Yeah, it's passed. And we have completed week 2. Cool. So, yeah, I think that is going to do it for today. I'm kind of behind because I have this exceptions lecture still yet to watch. But yeah, I'll watch it. Maybe I'll just do it tomorrow. The questions for that one. Let me just check how many. I think there were 4 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there are 4. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow with these questions. Have a good day or night whenever you are watching, and if you're watching. And yeah, bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.